I need another board on here. We need another board on here.
You know, inside there?
Yep. And it goes back to almost nothing. I mean, it's almost nothing right there.
Yeah, just on that one side.
Hmm?
Just on that one side of the door.
Yeah, just, yeah, which need that. So we just put one through here. I hate that right there.
Just perfect.
Huh? That's what that's what I'm gonna do first, but before I do, I'm gonna bring my wall out to this one is what I wanna do. Cross all of these and then butt this piece into this square because we have easily can do it. We got,
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
so this is coming out all the way to the outside wall. So I wanna put a board on here now. I'm gonna take a Sawzall and cut this down a little bit. I don't like it. Right here, just that right there. Because I'm gonna come over to here. Half of that board is what I want. If I have to put a little bit of a notch in it to meet here, I will, but I don't care. I want to make, so I guess I just need the Sawzall and power. Give me one of these blades new, will you? When you come back, give me one of these blades new. We can do it. How many pieces do you need like that? In there, yeah.
I need 3 more pieces right here.
Yeah.
Now they're 5 foot, 6 foot and better.
This is a big wide bay, so this one goes beside it. Yeah. This one? We need it at. That's small. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, get some numbers. I want to get my 4-foot mark over there.
Yep. You good?
I think I am, Paul. Yep.
I ain't got my tape measure on.
That's all right.
It's over there.
Yeah, I'm good. Let's see, I just need to go all the way to like that wall where that wall is going to be. I don't care if I have to notch that piece of just a shed, you know, like the inside corner to make it work in this doorway. I don't care, it won't bother me. You like that?
Yeah.
50 and 5/8.
Right now?
Yep.
I need to draw this shit out.
Huh?
You better draw this wood out.
Yeah, not that much to it. It's that notch in it.
Yeah.
This and the notch.
Yeah.
50 and 5/8.
See tape measure? You dummy in?
And then 48 and 1/8. And all I need is the number from there to the end of the wall.
From here?
48 and 1/8. No. Yeah, from there to the wall.
You dummy in. I need a dummy in. 18.
Inches.
18 moving in.
Leave what in?
That's 18 inches moving in. You get done with plumbing.
Yeah.
So I don't want one under, one on top.
Yeah.
And if I put it in now, you can't get
No, you won't be able to get to it.
No.
Okay.
Do his plumbing first.
All right, good deal. All you, all his now.
Yeah.
All right, this piece is ready to cut, right? I'm ready to go.
I ain't gonna cut.
Ready to go.
Hold on, let me get myself over there.
Okay. Got you. Ugh.
Rushing me.
No, I'm not.
Rushing me.
I'm not actually. Not actually.
Are you rushing?
I ain't rushing. Nothing. I'm just ready. I'm just ready, Paul.
You get it bounce?
All right? Yeah. Close the door. Pull over to you so I can close the door.
I can't pick it up. It's too heavy.
Hmm?
Oh, it's too heavy.
It's heavy.
Well, you can be that way. You gotta trim it one piece. Piece of plastic. Oh, Becky.
Two pieces on it. Need that. There we go.
Hey, one. Trying to piece against the wall. Okay.
Yeah, I had to cut that piece. Can't even see the blue line disappeared. No, it's touching here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, let me just get that, trim that off with that little tool. I'll go right back. What's that? Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. Hiya. Yeah? Okay.
She's smoking, but she ain't dead yet.
Smoking? You're smoking.
Hold on. Come on.
You ain't hitting that.
Hold up.
Watch out for them wires. We gotta trim it out a little bit. It's touching the pipe.
Huh?
It's touching the pipe right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Hitting the pipe right there.
Yeah.
That's what I gotta notch it for. A little circle right there. And I'll take a sawzall in here.
In the hallway.
Okay.
That'd be different.
Move out of my way. Huh?
About a half inch.
Yeah.
One more spot each time. Trim's got it. Trim's got it.
Yeah, then I can't get in.
I'll take it back out from there.
Just take the whole piece of trim off. Just pop it off.
I got something to bottom.
Huh?
I got something to piece of bottom. Not need much.
I need 2 inches.
1 second.
The board that was in here. There it is. No, you ain't got 2 inches yet.
That now.
No. All you really had to do is take that trim off and been done with it.
No, what I'm doing, the bottom catching that. Not top.
Okay.
Every time you hit, it's moving.
Yeah. Right.
Good.
Keep tapping. Yep. Now we just need to knock it back there and it's in. Don't do that. Yeah. Yep.